Hey guys, welcome back to another video from kentcarmedia. Today we are working on my Mark 1 again. It's been a while, we've had lots going on, so haven't had time to really get up here and do much. Got a new Duce front bumper, which we have had painted by one of our friends who is very good with a gun. And it doesn't fit. And we didn't test fit it before we painted it. So today we're going to make it fit and hopefully show you guys how we're going to get it to fit. So if you have the same issue at home, you can sort it out.
Yep, and then also in the prep for Go Japan, Olly's got a nice puddle of brake fluid coming out of the driver's side. So we're going to basically be renewing the whole front brake setup.
Because we've got Go Japan in 1 week. So this is my new Duce bumper that I bought from eBay. It came from Birmingham. This side is cut out nicely, so it fits that wing bit there. That side is a bit mangled, so we're going to have to cut a bit out there so it fits on the other side. Rob has bought his trusty Dremel, and we also have a resident MX5 guru, Olly, who is used to cutting up bumpers because he changes his bumper every week.
So this lip here clashes with this. So we have options. Do we cut this or do we cut this? Let's all vote.
I'd cut the metal wing.
He would cut the wing.
I'd cut the bumper.
You'd cut the bumper.
I like cutting bumpers.
I'd also vote for the bumper. If not, I'm going to cut the wing with the angle grinder.
Yeah, but it's freshly painted. I don't want it broken.
It'll be alright, look. Easy.
You're scratching the wing, scratching the wing!
Well, move it off the wing, you might. Oh, shit.
Nah, I was already scratched from last time.
You have to lift it over that hook.
Yes, I'm getting out. I don't know, actually. I don't know Mark 1's.
You have to lift this side. Lift
This-
your side.
lift
My
your-
side.
Yeah.
You did.
No.
Look at this. Oh, you fresh paint.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
How's that looking?
Skibbity.
Not very good.
No,
very
not
good.
very good.
Hold on. It hits here.
Okay. There seems to be an issue.
An interference fit, if you will.
Well, can we not just push it?
This fiberglass will snap.
Well, I pushed it a minute ago and it went, so probably not.
So we got a little bit of a panel gap, but we think once we bolt it in, that should close it up a bit.
Yeah.
The other side we cut a bit out, and that is now looking a lot better. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bumper off, cut out the light holes so we can fit the lights in, and then drill some holes, offer it up, go drifting. Bits for the lights now, so we're going to measure once and cut twice. Always remember to do that. So we're going to go 2 fingers. We cut there first.
That bit faster for you, is it?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Mad how you buy a bumper and it doesn't have these already cut out.
Don't fit me off.
Gonna have to cut a bit more out then, haven't we?
Yes, we are.
So we've test fitted the light in there. There's a little tiny little bits more to come out, and then hopefully we should get the self tappers through the lights and we'll be good to go. And he just keeps cutting, and he just keeps cutting, and he just keeps cutting, and he just keeps cutting. So we're just going to drill the holes into the new bumper. So bumper's on, just going to tidy it up a bit, get rid of all the fiberglass dust and fit the lights back in, and then we will see what it looks like.
Yeah. We've just cable tied it, haven't we?
We've just cable tied it to the wings. The fit's pretty shit this side, so don't look at that side. Yeah, look at this side. This side's much better. All we're going to do is put the bowls back in, tidy it up. This side, the light doesn't fit very well, so it's going to be sticking out a bit, but it was a cheap bumper, I don't care. So, let's crack on, boys!
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's not coming out.
Okay.
That is shit this side.
It wasn't that bad earlier. Why's that get worse?
That is quite bad.
Tried to fit the lights and they are not fitting.
Oh, that's no, not like that.
So
Sorry.
we're going to have to cut a bit more of the bumper out. It looks like it's fouling on
It's a
that.
bit sketchy
Fouling on
doing
that.
that to the front, because if I slip, I'll cut here.
Why would you slip?
Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't plan on slipping, but if I
Just don't slip.
Well, you just don't.
Right, okay, I'm going to get explicit permission to do this while it's on the gun. We can take this within 2 minutes.
Yeah, but then we've got to cable tie it again.
Yeah, so I've got 100 cable ties.
100 cable ties!
Wow.
That was a fucking pain in the ass. So Rob is now lovingly going to do the other side. And then we can reattach the bumper because we had to unattach it to get the light in. It's a sign of a broken man.
I've learned from my mistakes. Do one side first, and then once that side's in with the screw, it is.
Look how big the mouth is.
Like that. Then we can use this side just to mark where I want to drill. And then we can drill the other pilot hole. I don't have a mic on, so I don't know how much of this you can actually hit.
Well, this bit might be cut. Now we just need to reconnect the bumper and hopefully we should be good to go.
Oh, bugger.
Since it counts as extra views.
These brakes have been on this car since, well, was it in storage for 10 years?
Yeah, so it's been
So-
off the road since 2013, I believe.
2013.
Mm.
So discs are a little bit lit. Oh, hello. Nice. Right. That's our carrier.
Let's carry it out.
Disc off. Feels alright.
There's no rubbing noise, is there?
Huh. Now, these are the discs from my Mark II, but because I have small brakes, they are the same as the Mark 1 1.8. Now, We haven't done many miles, been sat for a while, so we're having to clean up a bit when get some brake force on them.
So we've also used the caliper carrier off of Rob's Mark II, where he upgraded to Willwoods.
Little bit of grease.
A little bit of splooge.
So Ollie has been complaining about a loss of pedal feel, meaning the pedal goes to the floor, which is bad. Now, I think that is just a couple washers on this banjo bolt, so we're going to renew those and hope for the best. Oh god, we're leaking everywhere.
We're leaking everywhere. Good job we got the bouquet. Don't we have brake hose clamps?
Oh yeah, we do. Oh well. Too late now.
We're leaking quite a lot.
It's a race against time, right?
Why did we not get the washers out before we started this? Why is there two?
One for the top, one for the bottom.
Makes sense. So that's this side done. I'm going to move on to the other side now. Right, so as my luck goes with buying parts from Birmingham, bumper doesn't really fit great, but it's on and it works. The lights all work, so we're going to leave it like that. If we don't have enough time to sort it, we'll sort it another day. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be fitting some more mods to my Mark I MX5. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.